The IRS can take money from your bank account. How to stop it? 1. Understanding the problem. Many people panic when money disappears from their bank account. Sometimes the IRS is the one who took it. So what does that actually mean? It means the IRS followed a legal process that gives them the power to freeze and take funds after sending notices. The key idea: the IRS cannot take your money without warning, but you must act before the deadline. 2. How the IRS starts the process. The IRS begins with a simple bill that lists how much you owe and your options. If you ignore this bill, more official letters follow. If nothing changes, a revenue officer may be assigned to your case. They can contact you and file a federal tax lien, which is a claim on your property. 3. The notices that lead to a levy. The IRS must send a notice of intent to levy, often labeled CP 504. The final warning is Letter 1058, which gives you 30 days to act. So what does that actually mean? It means you still have time to set up a plan or request a hearing before the IRS can take money. 4. How a bank account levy works. Once the deadline passes, the IRS sends a freeze notice to your bank. The bank must hold the money for 21 days. This is your last chance to stop the levy by calling the IRS or arranging payments. If you take no action, the bank sends the money to the IRS. 5. Wage garnishment. The IRS can also take money from your paycheck. Your employer must withhold part of your income until the tax debt is paid. If you're self-employed, the IRS expects you to withhold the money yourself. 6. Ways to stop a levy. You can pay the balance in full, or request an installment agreement, or file for a collection due process (CDP) hearing within 30 days using Form 12153. So what does that actually mean? You can pause all levy actions by filing the request on time. 7. If the IRS already took the money, stay calm and verify what happened. Some people miss notices because they moved or assumed the letters were junk mail. If the IRS failed to send required notices, call them and ask for reversal. If that fails, you can file a collection appeals program (CAP) request using Form 9423, but you must act fast. 8. Your rights and best actions. You have the right to request a hearing, appeal a levy, have representation. The biggest mistake is ignoring IRS letters. The earlier you act, the easier it is to protect your bank account, paycheck, and peace of mind.